I wish I would have bought this sooner. It took our porch from this to this in a simple 10 minutes to set up. This is how you would receive this. This is the 75-gallon size. Each piece is labeled and the instructions are pictured. Each piece just snaps together so there are no need for any tools. It took maybe 10 minutes to set this up. It's lightweight enough to move, but it's sturdy enough to withstand the weather and the weight from the items inside. It feels secure when each piece is snapped together. It has a place for a lock. It also has 2 sets of wheels on each side and a handle on each of the end pieces. The lid opens easily, closes easily, and can be balanced to stay open as I add items to this. I chose this size so items like skateboards, camping chairs, our sticks for a campfire, various other yard items, and most importantly, the helmets that I used to pick up multiple times a day. Now my kids have a place to put their helmets when they get home from school, plus their other yard toys as well. This still has so much more space for more items. It looks attractive, it's a great size, easy to place in various locations, and holds a big variety of items. This is exactly what we needed for our front porch. It's totally worth it and we highly recommend it.